here's grinding 16.1 grams of Pacamara on the Zerno with the multi-purpose SSP blind burrs. So the tone change there is because of my power. Yeah, it's being weird. So I'm gonna give it a tap on top, see if that. The tap on top doesn't do much. Oh, yep. So that is not. Yeah, so we're missing like a gram and a half. And a slight rotation of this, a little tap, probably got most of that off. That was like barely a knock. I'm gonna do a more strong knock after, but let's see. Oh, we got about, yeah. Nice, so just a gentle knock. Oh, I did lose, I don't know, was that there before? So I lost a little from that knock, possibly. Usually I do a more violent knock like that, a little more force. Now I probably have more than 16. Yeah. But the problem with doing the knock is sometimes I thought with the gentle knock it's okay, like it doesn't overshoot, but a little bit seemed to have overshot. I don't know, that might have been there from before because I mean I just did 2 shots of espresso. So yeah, I want to know how long it takes, and we're gonna compare. I'll try the same coffee at the same-ish RPM. So it should be about 900 RPM, I mean. Same as this. Let's see if I ground. That was really fine because I'm grinding an older coffee. So we'll see. This is like 90, yeah, 90 microns.